Today we're doing some roof repair. There was a heavy rain the day before and I discovered some water in the van. I found the issue was a seam along some trim where the water was leaking in. So I'm going to remove the old sealant, clean the surface, and reseal everything with some 3M marine adhesive sealant. As you can see here, the seam is no longer sealed. The caulk has degraded over the years and is practically gone here where the source of the leak is. There is still some caulk along the seam, but all the caulk is degraded, so it needs to be removed. I'll start by scraping the residual caulk with a chisel and scraper. I tried a heat gun first, but when it wasn't doing anything, I found carefully scraping it off was more effective. Now that the old sealant has been removed, I need to clean the surface to ensure a strong bond between the fiberglass and sealant. I found a brush set with an attached drill bit, so I could simply attach it to my power drill to scrub it clean. Finally, with a nice clean surface, I laid a steady bead of new marine sealant. I probably could have cut the sealant cartridge tip to be a bit larger since I had to make a second pass, but more sealant is a good idea here on the roof since it will be the most susceptible area to leaks in the future. Either way, I have a fresh new seal and no more water on the inside of the van.